tonight's entree is fish again. Okay, but with a twist. We've also got refried beans, cheese, and tortillas, and little hot sauce. We're gonna have fish tacos. Okay, first step is to put a layer of fish on there, and I've seasoned this with just a little salt and oregano. Next step is to add the cheese. If you follow me this way, we've got some grated cheese here. A little more. Beans on top. A little hot sauce. Here we go. And then these have gotten a little cold, and I like my my burritos toasted, so I'm going to turn it into a burrito here. And then I'm going to toast it on the grill. Just like a minute on each side, not very long. And here's what it looks like when it's done. It's nice and brown and toasted. The cheese is melted inside on the fish and the beans, and it's delicious. My gosh. And you can make your own variations on it too, just really simple. So, until next meal.